In this video, you'll learn how to fix payout delays on Stripe in just a few minutes, so you can get your earnings into your bank account without unnecessary waiting. First, go to stripe.com and sign in to your Stripe dashboard. Click on Balances in the left sidebar to check your current payout status, available balance, and any pending transactions that might be causing the delay. Next, check your account verification status. Stripe sometimes holds payouts if your account isn't fully verified. Go to Settings, then Account Information, and make sure all your business and banking details are complete and accurate. Now, review your payout schedule. Some Stripe accounts are set to automatic daily, weekly, or monthly payouts. If your delay is just due to your schedule, you can adjust it in Settings under Bank Accounts and Scheduling. After that, check for any flagged transactions. Go to Payments to see if any charges are under review or disputed. Resolving these issues quickly can help release your funds and prevent future payout delays. Once you've reviewed everything, contact Stripe support if the issue continues. Click on Help or Contact Support inside your dashboard. Stripe's team usually responds within 24 hours and can manually release stuck payouts. And that's it. You now know how to fix payout delays on Stripe and get your money flowing again smoothly.